Alright, next morning, I'm gonna head back home. I'm gonna stop and get some lunch at Big Truck Brewing Company. It's about 2 hours from here. Unfortunately, if you look at the map, all of this rain is coming right up. So I might be dry to here, but from here back up to home, it's not going to be very dry. So, rain suit ready. Pull over and quick put it on. Let's go get wet. Well, I got a little wet. I'll sit here for a little bit, eat some lunch, and then hopefully the bigger storms pass us. But I'll probably end up putting my rain suit on before we leave here. Alright, that was fun. Big torrential downpours for about an hour or so. And got some food, some water. So I'm gonna avoid putting my rain suit on for a little bit because I'm still kind of wet, so I kind of want to dry out a little bit. Might end up putting it on sooner or later, so we'll see. Alright, that didn't last long. Alright, so rain gear, gonna throw all this shit on. I have an extra pair of gloves in here for the big cell that's gonna hit again. What a fun day. Alright, I got my rain suit on. I bought this for the North Carolina trip, but it's got booties, pants, everything. We'll see how dry I stay. I know it's gonna be freaking pouring down rain. I'm gonna run into it, so we'll see just how wet we're gonna get. 3 hours of fun until we get home. Let's go. Oh, these boots feel weird. As long as I'm dry, that's all matters. saddle here. 3.5 hours of this pouring down rain. Alright, so now we're home. GoPro quit right when I was down the road. I was coming home. So I went home, got changed, got a shower, and enjoy some of this sycamore rye from it's a barrel select from Limestone, from where I stopped at the beginning of the ride on Thursday. Bike handled flawlessly. As you can see in the videos, I was definitely going to speed limit. No issues with hydroplaning, uneasiness, or anything like that. I just kept it in, I didn't even put it in rain mode. Rain mode was way too laggy for me. Just kept it in normal sport mode and just shut down the highway. It took me about 3.5 hours to get home from that brewery where I ate lunch. So what I did was I waited until there was just a quick break in the rain, threw my rain suit on, and then shotgun home. As you can see by the water, these boots didn't do that well. I think water must have gotten through the seam or something, because I don't know what brand these are. Wisha. So they might be getting tossed in the trash. But my pants were fairly dry from here where they had them up, so I don't think they came in from the top of the pant. Pants did their job, and jacket certainly did its job. I didn't get, my actual clothes were not wet, just my feet were somewhat wet, which if I wouldn't have been wearing these shoes, it probably would have been a lot worse, so it could have been worse. Helmet, I'm really impressed by the helmet. All my other helmets, this is the first time I've actually been stuck in this much rain for this amount of time with this helmet. A bunch of my other helmets, this seal here, you would get a bunch of rain and crap coming in here and then getting your face wet. This one, my head was virtually dry the entire time, just until like towards the end of the day. But that was after 3.5 hours of torrential downpours hitting my helmet. So I'm very impressed with the Bell Race Star as far as keeping your head dry. As far as in the bags, these stayed completely dry. Not even a drop of water in here. So I'm pretty impressed by that. Yeah, bike performed flawlessly, like usual. Next mods to the bike, I ordered them like a month ago. They were supposed to be here, but he was having some issues with the molds. But I ended up drinking too much of that and ordering carbon fiber lids and hinge covers from T&A Customs. So that should clean up the bike a little bit. Every time I say I'm done with mods, I find something else to buy. Also, my floorboards from C3. He's actually making me a prototype set of shifter and brake pad pegs for up here, so they're going to have these little notches here, similar like that, to match up here. Again, still super happy with these. These should be shipping out within the week, I believe, because he did get the new brackets, if you remember from my other video about these. So tomorrow, I don't have work, so I'm going to give her a nice bath. And until the next adventure, see you guys.